good morning. Lunchtime pag may time. Lunchtime pag may time. It's kind of boring today. It's Thursday. Wow. No happenings. So we don't know where to eat, but we're gonna get a Japanese food for Kate, and then probably we're gonna go Chinese or Japanese. Yes. Dito tayo. Magja-Japanese tayo. Okay. I'm gonna order food.
Buti ako na lang order mo.
How do you like it? Katsu curry rice. Katsu curry rice.
Tapos, dalawa ng katsudo.
Hi! No, wait, Kim. Wag na katsu curry rice. Ano na lang, gyudon. Kasi kuha kong tempura. Gyudon na lang. No boiled egg.
Soft boiled po.
May kasama ba talaga egg yan?
Additional po.
Hindi, ayoko ng egg eh. I don't like egg. Yes, what? What do you like? You go get for your, for yourself. Yan na, ganyan na yung tendon mo. May tendon ka na. Wow, sweet potato. Yes.
Sour seed, by the way.
Okay. Copy. I'm gonna eat. I am gonna eat tempura and gyudon. Yes. Irasaimasu. Irasaimasu. Yummy my food. Yummy my food.
Ay, sir, meron akong discount.
Yummy.
Ay, nasa. Ay, nasa.